Welcome to COAScape-AI, an innovative platform designed to accelerate COA qualitative evidence landscape reviews. In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with the platform, from signing up and logging in, to creating a project, running abstract and full-text screenings, reviewing results, and managing your workspace. Whether you're a first-time user or looking for a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the software with confidence. To get started, click the provided link. Select Sign Up, then click the name of your assigned COAScape-AI representative. This will open a pre-addressed email draft. Complete the draft with your access request and send it. Your login credentials will be provided by a member of the COS or BioSpark team. With your credentials in hand, log in using your email and provided password. If desired, the password can be changed after this first login. You'll land on the user dashboard, offering an overview of the platform. The menu on the left is your navigation hub. The About provides a quick introduction to COAScape-AI, its purpose, functionality, and how it supports patient-focused outcomes research. Projects is where you'll manage your work. Each project represents a project workspace with dedicated tools for screening, extraction, review, and modeling. To create a project, select the Projects tab and click the plus icon to the right, or click on the Create New Project button located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Once clicked, add your project name and disease, select a workstream, and task like abstract screening or full-text extraction. Once completed, click Create. You can also add workstreams and tasks later. Once created, you'll be directed to the project page. Project pages are your dedicated workspaces. Within each project page, users can add workstreams, view tasks, view results, access project settings, and more. At the top of each project page, you'll see the Add Workstream feature. This feature allows users to quickly add a workstream if one is not created. Below that is your active task list. Each active task includes a status tracker and a details button to begin or review progress. At the bottom of each project folder, you'll see the Add New Task feature. Like workstreams, this feature allows users to quickly add a task if one is not previously created. And at the corner of each project folder, you'll see the project settings icon. This feature allows users to manage user permissions specific to this project. Now that you have seen an overview of the project page, let's take a closer look at building out the tasks and running the project. If a workstream has not been previously created, select an option from the drop-down menu and click Add. A notification will appear, and the workstream will automatically populate within the project page list. Adding a task is similar to creating workstreams. Simply select one of the options from the drop-down menu and click Add a New Task. A notification will appear, and the task will automatically populate within the designated workstream. Within each project folder, users can also collaborate by adding team members. To do so, click the gear icon and assign roles as editors or viewers. Remove members by clicking the X next to their names. Once an abstract screening task is created, you can now enter your dataset and predetermined search criteria. To begin, click on the Details button in the abstract screening task to open the Advanced Search portal. This page is where users define the criteria COAScape-AI will use to screen abstracts. It consists of 3 defining areas: population, study design, and outcome measurements. These fields allow you to instruct the AI on which criteria are most relevant to your research question, based on the project's search protocol. This is the Population tab within the Abstract Screening setup. Here, users can upload datasets and predefine inclusion and exclusion criteria for the population specific to this project. First, users are asked to upload the current dataset. To select a dataset, click the Choose File button, select the document, and click Open. Next, enter your inclusion criteria. These are the population traits you want to include in your analysis per your search protocol. For example, In this case, terms like stomach cancer and cancer of the stomach tell the AI which patient populations are relevant. Then, enter the exclusion criteria. These are traits or populations that should be left out. Here, for instance, we're excluding patients diagnosed with any other cancer type. This structured input helps the AI make informed screening decisions by identifying which abstracts match your target population. The study design section allows you to define what kind of research methodologies you'd like to utilize. Start by selecting the type of participant relevant to your study: patient, caregiver, or healthcare professional. You can toggle these options on or off depending on your criteria. Then, use the keyword boxes to include specific study designs or thematic approaches, like qualitative research, interview, or lived experience. Note that the pre-populated criteria can be used as is, or they can be deleted, and other criteria can be added. These keywords guide the AI in identifying which studies use your desired methods of data collection and analysis. In the Outcome Measurements tab, you'll define what the study should be reporting. Toggle on the Extract Outcomes setting to activate this filter. Then enter keywords or phrases that describe the types of outcomes you want the AI to prioritize, such as quality of life, symptom, burden, or function. Note that the pre-populated criteria can be used as is, or it can be deleted and other criteria can be added. These terms help COAScape-AI screen for abstracts that focus on how patients feel and function, ensuring your review targets meaningful results. Once all areas are entered, click the Screen button to initiate the AI algorithm, assessing the abstracts based on your criteria. Once screening is complete, users can review the results by clicking on Details and navigate to the Results tab. Here you will find the flow diagram. This chart summarizes the total of abstracts screened, the number of abstracts suggested for inclusion, and the number of abstracts suggested for exclusion. The hierarchy of exclusions is applied in this specific order: duplicates first, followed by population, study design, and finally outcomes. This diagram helps you quickly understand why abstracts were excluded and how many were retained. You can export the full diagram as a Word document and download the detailed screening results as an Excel file. Next, click Concepts Tabulated to explore a categorized view of the concepts identified during screening. Each row represents a parent concept, with columns showing the number of citations and references. Click the plus icon to expand the view and reveal the individual concepts nested beneath each category. Blue numbers indicate active links to abstracts. Clicking them will open the abstract in a new tab. If the number appears in black, no link is available. Click the Export Results button on the flow diagram screen to download an Excel file containing the screening results, including added columns for duplicate checks, population matches, study design matches, extracted concepts, and others. Before beginning full text extraction, you will need to prepare the dataset. In order to do so, a researcher will review the AI predicted abstract screening results for accuracy and determine the final abstracts to be included in the full text extraction. To begin a full text extraction, open your project page and click the Details button under the Full Text Extraction task. Start by selecting the researcher-approved Excel file containing the articles you want to include in the extraction. Once your file is uploaded, the table below will automatically populate with article titles and their status. This can take a few minutes. You'll see upload results, extraction progress, and any linked files. To update the view, click Refresh Table at any time. If some articles are unavailable, you can manually upload PDF files using the Upload PDF button beside the relevant reference. This ensures all selected studies are available for concept extraction regardless of source format. After selecting the file, the upload status will update to success, and the file name will appear in the table. Once all articles are successfully uploaded, you're ready to begin concept extraction. Select the uploaded articles using the checkbox for which data should be extracted from the full text. To filter successful uploads, click the filter icon next to Upload and select Success. Alternatively, you can select all successfully uploaded articles at once. Once all articles are selected, click Extract Concepts to begin. COAScape-AI will now process each uploaded article to extract candidate concepts and outcomes. The duration of this process varies, depending on the length of the article. When complete, a green checkmark will appear in the extraction column. Once extraction is complete, navigate to the Study Selection menu within the Extraction Results tab. The Extraction Results page is where users can adjust and refine COAScape-AI research findings. It consists of 4 fields: Study Selection, COA, Measurement Tabulated, Concept Model Settings, and Concept Maps. The Study Selection tab allows users to choose which studies to include in their final conceptual model. Only studies that were successfully uploaded and had data extracted will be available for selection. Ineligible studies will appear grayed out. Click the checkboxes next to the eligible studies you want to include. These selected studies will feed into your downstream COA tabulation and conceptual modeling. Once your studies are selected, move forward to begin viewing, filtering, and analyzing extracted concepts in the COA Measurement Tabulated view. This table provides a high-level view of extracted concepts. You'll see how many citations and references inform each category. Click the plus icon to expand any row and see detailed, normalized concepts that fall under that category. Each row shows the individual concept, citations with article IDs, and the number of references. Linked citations are hyperlinked in blue. Simply click to open the original article in a new tab. The Conceptual Model Settings tab allows you to customize what appears in your final conceptual map. First, select which high-level concept categories to display. Then, use the plus-minus toggles to adjust how many individual concepts to show per category. Concepts are prioritized by frequency of appearance in the data, followed by number of citations. For instance, if you display 4 concepts under emotional impacts, the 4 most commonly cited will be shown. Once you've finalized your selections, navigate to the Concept Map tab to visualize your structured output. The map organizes your concepts by theme. Each cluster corresponds to a high-level category you selected in the model settings. You can explore how individual concepts relate to broader themes such as symptoms, emotional impact, and social factors. Export your concept map as a Word document for reporting or presentation. This provides a clean summary of key impacts and domains derived from your study. Once you've reviewed the extracted concepts and finalized your conceptual model, it's time to export your results. Exporting from the COA Measurement Tabulated view generates an Excel file with all extracted data. The Excel file contains 2 tabs, Concepts and Results. In the Concepts tab, you'll see a structured list of all normalized and categorized concepts, including citation and reference counts, parent categories, and citation IDs. The Results tab offers deeper insight. It includes every row from your uploaded Excel file, now appended with metadata columns showing how the AI interpreted and processed each paragraph. Initial columns, like title, abstract, paragraph number, and source section, help contextualize where each piece of input came from. Need to clean up your projects page? Delete a project using the trash icon. To restore, go to your profile and click Restore on the selected project. Still have questions? Contact info@clinoutsolutions.com. We're here to support your research every step of the way.